And now there's more.
With that being said, because you couldn't be my best man.
Well, no, not because couldn't. We had something that we would rather have you do.
Yeah, we've been talking, and Gina made a really good point a long time ago. That we didn't want some stranger to marry us.
Are you kidding me?
Amy.
Are you kidding me?
Amy, who started it all.
Will you get ordained and will
Are you
marry us?
serious?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Dead ass serious.
Oh my gosh. My role's so much more important than that. Oh my god, yeah, absolutely. This is are you serious?
Yes.
Serious.
Oh my god. You guys are crazy.
Ain't gonna marry
you are
us.
freaking crazy. Oh my god, I'm like really nervous. I'm gonna do it then.
I've got the website for you.
Oh
we got everything.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You get ordained right online. Aaron Blosser did.
Oh my gosh. I feel so special. You guys are nuts.
Well,
You're both
here's
nuts.
the deal is like, we know.
Do your parents know this? And they're fine with that?
Yeah. I don't know that hers do.
I don't think so yet, but I'll tell him. I wanted to make sure you said yes first.
Yeah, no, absolutely, I'll do that.
We just know that you'll do a good job, like.
Absolutely, hell yeah.
Yeah, here's my opinion. I wanted someone that we don't have anyone like a priest or a pastor or whatever, and we wanted someone that meant something, you know. So
That's really sweet.
what better than Miss Shit or Get Off the Pot?
I'm really excited. I think you guys are nuts. I'm super excited and a little bit nervous. I kind of need a drink.
There we go.